hi, come on in. Sorry, I'm just reading my textbook. Hi, my name is Nurse Claudia. I'll be your nurse today. So, can I have your first name? Your last name? And your date of birth. What have you come in for? Okay. And how long have you had this cough? 3 or 4 days. Okay, cool. And are you spitting up phlegm? Okay, cool. Okay, cool. So, I've got all my information right there. I'm going to take your blood pressure now, okay? This is just going to talk, okay? I'm just going to put my stethoscope on.
Please remain seated and refrain from talking during measurement, and keep cuff at the heart level. Your blood pressure is systolic, 134 millimeter of mercury, diastolic, 75 millimeter of mercury. Your pulse was 89. Your blood pressure is normal.
Okay, just let that finish talking. I forgot to tell you, that thing talks, sorry. So, your blood pressure is completely normal, which is good. So I'm just gonna put that down. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the pulse oximeter on your finger. Just give that a few seconds to let it do its thing. So both of those are very good, okay? Your heart rate is normal and your oxygenation is normal, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna take a temperature and then Dr. Bella will be right in, okay? Okay, cool. So your temperature is, you have no fever, which is good. Dr. Bella will be right in, okay? Dr. Bella, your doctor today. Okay. Get my stethoscope. So, I'm just gonna have you confirm your name and your date of birth. Okay. Looks like you've come in for a respiratory exam for a dry cough. Okay, so everything looks normal. And there's Claudia, one of our medical students. I'll put air quotes on that because she's not really a medical student anymore. She's officially part of our team. I hope she took really good care of you. Did she? That's all I needed to hear. Okay, so basically what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna do a respiratory exam, which just involves me listening to your lungs from the front and from the back. And then I'm going to have you say a couple of things while I'm listening to your lungs, okay? So I'm gonna first start off by listening to your heart, okay? Just one sec, because this is not sitting. I'm actually listening to that first. I'm just gonna put this back. This might be a little cold, so I apologize. If I could have you take some deep breaths in for me. Deep breath in and out. Good. Deep breath in and out. Good. Deep breath in and out. Deep breath in and out. Deep breath in and out. Good. And could you cough for me? Good. Okay, I'm just gonna listen to your back. So if I could have you flip around for me. Okay. Deep breath in and out. Good. Deep breath in and out. Good. Deep breath in and out. Good. Deep breath in and out. Could you cough for me? Good. And deep breath in and out. Good. Deep breath in and out. Good. Okay. So, I do not hear any wheezing or anything like that. Your lungs do sound like they do have a little bit of phlegm in them, but you said it's a dry cough, so I don't really know. Not really sure what to do in this situation, but is it a dry cough? Okay. I figured. which means yes, you do have a dry cough, but also there is a little bit of I'm gonna call it fluid, but I'm just gonna call it phlegm at the bottom of the lungs. So I'm gonna have you say some things. So the first thing I'm gonna have you say is whisper 99 for me, okay? Good. Good. Can I have you turn around? Just swing your legs out towards this way. Good. 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 And I want you to just say E every single time the stethoscope touches you, okay? Can you say E again? Okay. And can I have you face towards me? Good. The last thing I want you to say is A. So every time the stethoscope touches you, I want you to say, oh my god, hang on. Okay. I want you to say A every time the stethoscope touches you. Good. 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 And legs out to the side. Good. 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 Okay. So, yes, I still hear that phlegm at the base of the lungs. Every test we took. I'm gonna give you some medicine for the cough and probably some medicine. Probably some. Hopefully that'll get rid of the cough and the phlegm at the bottom of the lungs. Okay. second. Let me finish writing this. So, I'm just gonna write you a prescription for medicine, okay?